Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Finally, exams are over. And yes, time to relax. 6 months of agony, 6 months of fight, 6 months of struggle, 6 months of craving, 6 months of sacrifice has now finally ended. And I hope it has ended well. You've written your papers well. And I really hope and pray that your result is going to be amazing. So, sir, what next? What should we do now? Guys, you need to do three P's now. Remember three P's. So, what are these three P's? P number one, party hard. Yes, party hard, guys. Go on for a vacation, meet your friends, meet your relatives whom you have not met for so many days now. Just go on for a quick drive out of Delhi if you are staying in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, wherever you are staying. Go out of Delhi and party really hard. You deserve this party. Go on for a vacation with your family and friends. So, where are you? Even I am on a vacation. Even I am partying hard. I am amidst the Himalayas between the beautiful pine trees and the amazing mountain, snow-clad mountain. Yes, it's snowing over here. So you also deserve this vacation. Go on for a vacation for 2-3 days. What else, sir? P number two. Pray. Guys, prayers have powers which none other element in this world has. Pray to God. Pray that you get those three alphabets which you've already always desired, CMA. And I'm sure God will hear to your prayers. I have come to the Hidimba temple, which is about 500 years old temple, and I always usually come over here. And this time I've specially come to pray for all of you. May Goddess Hidamba have her blessings on you and you get those three critical words CMA along with your name very, very soon. Guys, one small exercise along with the prayers that you have to do. Just start pronouncing your name along with the prefix CMA from tomorrow. Yes, these are magical words. If you start affixing them with your name, CMA, and your name, then you will see the magic within the month of February when your results are coming. Just see the magic then. So if I am Nikhil Gupta, from tomorrow I'll say my name as CMA Nikhil Gupta. You also prefix your name CMA along with CMA and start pronouncing it from tomorrow and see the magic. So second P is pray. Pray hard. P number three, plan and prepare. Yes, now is a critical juncture of your life. Now, next 2 months, you will be absolutely free, especially for the final students who have given both the groups. You are absolutely free. Plan for your future. Prepare yourself for the future. You have to face the corporate world. You have to face interviews in big fours, big MNCs. Prepare yourself. Sir, how should we prepare ourselves? Guys, one small tip, start reading Economic Times from today. Regularly for next 2 months, you have to read Economic Times. It's an orange color paper which contains the business news of the entire country, like which deals are happening, which mergers are happening, which acquisitions are happening, who is fighting with whom, whose business is splitting, what is the mode of split, what is the payment consideration, purchase, product purchase, launches. Everything is covered in Economic Times. Plus, if you want to improve your English, Economic Times is the best source. Just write one word from the Economic Times in a diary daily. One word daily, you will learn 30 words in 1 month, 60 words in 2 months, and 90 words in 3 months. And that's more than sufficient for your interview. You will crack the interview with those 90 words, use those 90 words in the interview, and you'll floor the examiner, I am so sure. So plan and prepare for the future. Those of you who have given only one group, guys, start preparing for the second group. Yes, it is the right time. Start looking at the coachings where you for which subjects do you want the coachings, which teacher is good, which teacher are you comfortable with, and start your coachings right away. If you are an inter student and you have given both the groups, you have to look out for training, CMA firm. So look out for a CMA firm. Even for CMA final students, you can also work in CMA firm for the next 2 months. It will be really beneficial to know the basics of financial statements, basics of GST, basics of direct taxation, and only a CMA firm will be able to give you an exposure which you require, and all over exposure. Sir, what if we are not able to get through a CMA firm? Guys, you can opt for a CA firm, that is also equally good, but the work in that firm should be good. Audit, tax should be in abundance, and that is how you should choose a CMA firm. So, for next 2 months, gear yourself up with these three P's and heartiest wishes. direct from Hadimba temple. All the best for your examination, and may you achieve those three alphabets in the month of February, CMA. All the best.